that got a kick out of life. I never did change up, that's word to Christ. I always been the same, that's word to life. From adolescence to adulthood, that's just Mike. When faced with certain trials, there was always tribulations. Thinking back now on the fact I was facing decades in jail, hoping for probation. Looking at the judge with thirst and desperation. YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Hey, it's getting hot outside, y'all. You know what that means. The short sleeves is coming into play. Grizzly Fit is dropping July 20th, 2020, I should say, you know. And once again, with the crazy looks, I don't know what's going on, y'all. I'm still trying to get acquainted with the camera and this whole situation. But today we're going to be stamping some I Take Nap shirts, basically for children. And I just want to give a shout out to Econotransfers. So let's get into this video. All that and more after the intro. Put the bottles in the air and let's get it cracking. It's them ice boys. So as you can see, I'm doing I think like 7 to 10 shirts, and the saying is I take naps, but I stay woke. That's for them super excited, non-stop 24-hour going children that seem like they got the never-ending life of energy inside of them. I wish I had that. Unfortunately, as you get older, you get tired quite early. So I sleep in a little bit, stay up a little bit all night, work, sleep a little bit at night, and then get back up and get back to the grind. But I'm using Econotransfers, man. You know I gotta shout out the brand. It weeds like butter, baby. Affiliate link, I'm gonna figure out somehow to tap it down below. But if you're looking for some vinyl, hit your boy up. I'm doing a few sample packs for a low price, and I can link you directly to them. And hopefully once I get my link up, you guys start hitting it and going through me, because I get a little bit from every sale that's made, you know, just to help support the channel. Also on the way is the YouTube merch. I've had a lot of people ask me about the Mike T's YouTube merch. As soon as I get my stickers back and my face put on the shirt, we'll get right into it. But let's go through what it takes to stamp these shirts. Simply take a corner, turn it over, and by the way, I'm using my t-shirt side hustle weeder. And all I do really is just hold down one edge, and then I peel it up. And let the weeding do its work by itself, because you know, nothing's been this easy since breathing. I would advise holding it down a little bit because you don't want to tear no letters moving too quick. Sometimes I get a little too excited. Fortunately, I haven't had that happen, but it can happen, trust. I mean, y'all can start putting the timers on because your boy is moving at a rather rapid rate. I'll go and get the cavities. So this is the part of the episode when I'm gonna start doing flavors of the month. You heard me right. Flavors of the month of Econotransfer. The flavor of the month is the flower power. And you see me with the sample rolls. I went and got me the 5-yard roll just to get things cracking. I sold a couple of shirts with this on here, and believe it or not, the people were amazed. So the pattern of the month is flower power, and it's a flex foil. Weeds easy like butter, baby. Right here is a Gildan extra smalls for the youth. Sorry I gotta be so loud. My Cameo is actually working. Work behind work, you understand? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Well, I got my heat press nation heated up to 320 degrees. We're gonna press it for 15 seconds at medium to firm pressure. And get the Teflon sheet because I'm gonna ruin anything. And stamp this bad boy. And now we're gonna go down for another stamp, which is called the Overkill Stamp. Even though I know that it's on the shirt, I just want to peel it off and keep it moving. I always stamp twice. It's a little secret tip out there for you guys. we go. I take naps, but I stay woke. It's for them extra sugary kids. So if you like this content and would like to see more, please subscribe, like, comment, and go check out Econotransfers. The best, hands down. If my big butt can stand on it, that means it's a guarantee. And to the next one, I'm out.